Parents who came from abusive families, how did you break your generational toxic mold? My husband and I are both from awful backgrounds, and while dating we made a pact with each other that we would never yell over little things like spills or accidents. Well, one day a close friend of mine was visiting, and my 6-year-old son knocked over a large iced coffee and spilled it all over the living room rug. My husband paused and went, "Oh man, looks like we have to get some towels." He and our son cleaned the spill up together whilst I got the vacuum cleaner. All while this was happening, my friend disappeared. I found her crying in the bathroom, because when my son spilled the coffee she immediately got a knot in her stomach and her whole body tensed up. She got flashbacks of what happened to her if she ever did that as a kid, and her body went into fight or flight mode. However, when she saw my husband being very calm about it, she was overcome with emotions and gratefulness that we are raising our son in such a healthy environment. That made me realize we were breaking our own pasts and giving our kid the childhood we wished we had.